on.
We are tech merchants.
We are working on the project RoboAct.
Our team name is Pathfinders.
We are here with our app named Hope Connect.
Introducing our project AgriConnect.
Hey guys, I am Satyam Agrawal from NIT Delhi and meet my teammate
Sanskar Upadhyay.
and we both present to you AgriBee from the team.
On.
The origin of the idea was from the day when Sanskar was scrolling Instagram and he found an interesting reel.
I saw a reel about the micro drones which are being built, and the declining population of bees are the major cause in the decline of pollination.
So when Sanskar told me that he saw this reel, we worked on the idea, executed it and built an app called AgriBee which solves the problem for the local and the large scale farmers and helps them to detect whether the pollination process is occurring the right way or not, and helps them to reduce the losses which is happening constantly because of the climate changes and the declining population of the pollinator.
Hello, I am Krishna Mishra.
I'm Riya Singh.
I am Krishna Bose.
We are tech merchants.
What happened that in the EdTech platform, in a EdTech community, all the courses they provide, वो अपने बारे में केवल देखते हैं कि क्या EdTech उनके courses है जो, और जो उनके AI है तुम केवल वही access कर सकते हो. तो what we have provided is that you have all the AI tools, all the courses in R की तुम different से compare कर सकते हो and you can use there. And we have also created like a YouTube platform where you can use the YouTube links, URLs embedded in there, and we have our dashboard. You can track your daily practices, sessions and all.
Hi, myself Vineet, and rest of our teammates are working on this project, so they are not present here. My teammates are Kajal, Anjali, Sanid and Vineet, and we are working on the project RoboAct, which is a futuristic AI robot. One day we both are walking on the streets of Delhi and we saw that the garbage are not in the bin, they are outside the bin around the bin. So we thought to build an automated solution for this. We called it RoboAct Robot Gabi. Our robo will help the government and people of India by cleaning the cities and countries with the help of robotic arm and its automated vehicle system. It will go to door service, collect the garbages and sort it into different categories: metal, non-metal, wet and dry, and after that it will dump into the garbage and help in recycling.
So my name is Vanshika Kamboj.
My name is Vaibhav.
I am Mangeshwar. I am Avinash Mishra, and our team name is Pathfinders.
One day in the classroom, we all were discussing about some theft stories. Then we came up with the conclusion that why these thefts are happening. Like during night hours, due to fatigue, humans they fall asleep and they were not able to see things properly during night hours. So my friend Vaibhav, he came up with a solution.
So I think why don't we use a robot for the surveillance, since it will not sleep, it will work for the 24/7. But it came with its challenges, since it's not easy to make a path for it whenever something came in front of it. So we trained our AI so that whenever something came from it, it will map the area and take the right path from it.
Hello everyone, myself Neelu Maurya.
And myself Ansh Vashne, and our teammates named Vedant and Lucky, they both are still working on our project. And our team name is One Vision.
मेरी फ्रेंड मतलब उसको मेंटल हेल्थ की प्रॉब्लम थी, मेरे से हर बार कहती थी कि उसको एक साइकेट्रिस्ट से मिलना है, पर हमारे इंडिया में ये सिचुएशन है कि साइकेट्रिस्ट अवेलेबल तो हैं, पर ये है कि वो रियल सॉल्यूशंस पे ज़्यादा वर्क नहीं होता है उनका. मेरी फ्रेंड बेसिकली जा नहीं पाई साइकेट्रिस्ट के पास, वहाँ पर हाँ हुआ कि मेरी फ्रेंड नहीं रही. लाइक महसूस हुआ कि हाँ कुछ ना कुछ तो कमी है जिस पे काम करने की ज़रूरत है.
And to tackle with this problem, we are here with our app named Hope Connect. Hope Connect एक हमारा ऐसा ऐप है जिसमें हम मतलब बेसिकली जो हमारा पेशेंट होगा उसे हम AI सपोर्ट दे सकते हैं, उसे हम डॉक्टर्स का सपोर्ट दे सकते हैं, उसे हम ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में साइकेट्रिस्ट का सपोर्ट दे सकते हैं, और उसे हम डॉक्टर के पूरे कंसर्न वगैरह हर चीज दे सकते हैं जिससे कि हमारा जो पेशेंट है वो हमें आपको बहुत रिलीफ फील करा सके.
Hi everyone, I am Anubhav.
I'm Vanshika Sehgal. I'm Kritika Patil.
I'm Adit Solanki.
And our team name is AgroVision.
Our inspiration was our grandfather. He was a farmer. उन्हें बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ती है, जैसे मार्केट कनेक्शंस आर नॉट प्रॉपर, नॉट गेटिंग प्रॉपरली पेड फॉर देयर गोल्स, साथ ही साथ उन्हें मार्केट एक्सपोजर नहीं मिलता है.
When generally the middleman is involved, they generally take high commissions, which affects three bad things as a businesses. Cost is affected, no quality, no idea where the food comes from. So here we are introducing our project AgriConnect. Our platform aims to bridge the gap between farmers and businesses, allowing them to connect directly without any middleman or unnecessary commission cut.
So the experience taught me teamwork, problem solving and how to think like a builder instead of just a learner.
It was a really good experience working with all of this.
Huge shout out to our NIT जिसने हमें इतना सपोर्ट किया इस पूरे ऐप को बनवाने के लिए.
This is my first hackathon, so this is best experience which I have ever had.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मैम, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा.
We will surely recommend to participate in hackathons and other hackathons also, because we'll get a lot of learning through all this.